Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw C-3PO from Star Wars. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes. So it's just going to be two big circles. So I'm going to draw one. Let's come over, draw another one. And then right in the center, just gonna add a little dot. I know it looks a little bit creepy. Okay, and then from there, just right on the top of the eye right here, just come to the middle. Let's draw one line coming down. And then his nose is gonna be right here. So it's just a little triangle. Okay, and then we're gonna keep going down. Right underneath that, just gonna draw a little box or rectangle, and draw one line closer to the bottom. And then I'm going to shade this in right here. So this is going to be his mouth. Okay, so now we can continue on with the rest of the head. So just right on the eye level right here, you can come out, make two little points, and then let's go ahead and draw in the bottom first. Come all the way down. Just kind of taper it in a little bit. So right around here. And then now we're just going to curve it and finish up the jawline. Okay, and then on the bottom right here, this line right here, I'll just extend it out. Alright, so before we draw in the top of the head, come back to this point here. Just come in, just adding some extra details. Just draw a short little line, and then we're going to draw one big curve right over the eye going back to here. So just surround the eyeball. Alright, and then now we can finish up the top. So we're going to continue this. Just go out a little bit more. It's going to flare out. And then close it off with a smooth dome shape. Okay, so those are the facial features, and there's some more detail on the side here. So let's come back to the middle. Just draw a little circle. Just draw a little curve around it. So we're just kind of floating, and then from this point here, we're just going to go all the way out. Just follow the curve on the outside. Go all the way down past his mouth. And then whatever you have here, just hook it back up into the face. And that's gonna give us his head. So it could be a little bit tricky, but actually not too bad, right? Alright, and then for his neck, just come down first and close it right underneath the chin. And then it's got one section here, so I'm gonna extend the line. Just draw another rectangle. Okay, so that's gonna be his neck. And right here, we're going to extend it out to his shoulders. Okay, and then we're going to come down. So this is going to be his armpit right here. And then it's got some padding on the shoulder. So we'll slant down and then just close it off with a slant right here. And then just right here, just add a little detail. Let's come into the armpit. Okay, so we're gonna draw his arm in front of him, so it's gonna be a little bit tricky. So we're gonna start on the inside here first. So here's the armpit. Just come down, just draw a little angle like this. I know it's gonna be very strange looking, but just come down, just a little angle. Okay, and then from that angle, on the bottom here, this is gonna be his lower arm. So just kind of draw in like a rectangle. So just come down and then close it off. Okay, and then from here, continue with this line, just go out. This is gonna be his elbow, and then we'll just draw one curve connecting that. So we're extending the bottom line. Start here. That's gonna be his elbow. And then for the bicep area, we'll just start right here and just come in. So don't go all the way to the corner, just stop a little bit short. Okay, so those are his arms bending in, and then now we can draw in his hands. So we're going to draw in the palm first, the back of the palm. Just draw in a little square. And then for the thumb right here, start right here, just a little, just go up and just hook it back down to the corner. And then for the other fingers, it's very easy. Just kind of taper in and then close it off first. So it's very blocky. And then for the fingers, I'm just gonna add in 2 lines. I don't want to draw too many fingers with this thick Sharpie. Okay, so those are his arms, and then let's see, for the details here, we can add in just a couple of lines like this. Alright, and then let's see, to finish up the body, so right here's the armpit. We're just gonna come in, just give it a little slant coming down, and then continue that right behind the arm, and then we'll close it with a V shape here. So his thigh is gonna be right below here. Okay, and then to finish up the details, right in the chest area right here, just gonna draw one big circle. And then one more inside. I know my circles are kind of wobbly. It's okay. And then one more really small one in the center. Okay, and then for the tummy area right here, let's draw one line. And then right here on the bottom, another curve. So right in here is going to be a bunch of wires. And let's see, I can probably, let me just draw in a bunch of little lines. Maybe it'll help to show it a little bit better. Okay, so that's the upper body, and then for the lower legs, it's very simple. We'll start in the middle right here. Let's draw like 2 little lines like this first. And then on the back here, on the side, we'll extend it because it's gonna be a little bit wider. And then we'll almost coming straight down, but it's gonna taper in a little bit. And close it off with a horizontal line. Okay, so those are his thighs, and then for his knee right here, I'll just extend the line and then pretty much a rectangle. Just extend that. Alright, so we're gonna draw in the lower legs first, and then we'll add in all those cool little details on top. So we're gonna continue this line here, so it's gonna be skinnier on the bottom. Close that off. And then just pretty straight, just a slight curve. Just come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off. Same thing here, just continue with that line. Slight curve, and then just come out a little bit more. Alright, and then on the bottom here, let's just go ahead and finish this. Just add one line in the center, and then just curve down. Okay, and then right up here, the small little details. And then we're gonna add one line in the center, and then just divide that up one more time. Okay, and then up here, right in the center of this, I'm going to draw 2 lines. I'm going to draw 2 lines going this way. So these are very easy to draw, right, once we have the overall shape. And then on this side, it's going to be slightly lower. And right here, we can add in this little curve going out. And even up here, if you want to add in one extra line right on the bottom. And that is it for the C-3PO. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.